Page number 54, children. Take page number 54. Heat of the sun is received by the earth through radiation, conduction, convection. Temperature of the place depend upon what? Latitude, altitude. Altitude means the height of that place. Vegetation cover, current, oceans and distance from the sea. Atmospheric pressure. Air is a mixture of gases and has weight. Air is having weight. It therefore pressures the ground. Pressure comes on the ground. This push of atmosphere on the surface is called atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure can be measured by an instrument called barometer. The normal atmospheric pressure of a sea level is about 76 centimeters of the mercury column in the barometer. The atmospheric pressure varies from place to place and from time to time. Now can you see in the picture they have given pressure belt of the world, and so types of barometer is Arno barometer, 14 barometer. Atmospheric pressure decreases with the height. As we go up, the atmospheric become what? Thinner and patla. This is the reason why that mountaineers take what? Oxygen. They carry oxygen with them while climbing high mountains. The atmospheric pressure varies from place to place and from time to time. This variation shows a pattern of major pressure belt. The pressure belt of the world. You learnt about the heat zones of the earth layer last year. The zone where torrid zone, temperature zone, frigid zone, just like these thermal belts. 4 distant pressure belts encircle the earth. The pressure belt are created by two factors: temperature, rotation of the earth. When the earth rotates around the sun, the pressure belt forms the apparent movement of the sun as it moves between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. As the sun appears to move towards the Tropic of Cancer, the belts also move northward, and the sun appears to move southward towards the Tropic of Cancer. The pressure belt moves southwards too. So we have in India map also the Tropic of Cancer is moving. That line is shown. The 4 major permanent pressure belt is what? Equatorial low pressure belt or the ITCZ, and it is 0 north to 5 north and 0 south to 5 south. 5 degree. The subtropical high pressure 30 degree north to 35 degree north and 30 degree south to what? 35 degree south. The subpolar pressure low pressure belt, that is 60 north to 65 north, 60 degree south to 65 degree south. Polar high pressure belt 85 degree north to 90 degree north and 85 south to 90 degree south. Rainfall. The total amount of rain deposited on the given area given during a time is measured by what? Rain gauge, and it is called as rainfall. Measuring of the rain we are doing with rain gauge. Type of rainfall is conventional rainfall. It is due to the high temperature in that area. When water evaporates, heat evaporates, condense, thanda ho jana, and come down in the form of rainfall, then it is called conventional rainfall. It is common in equatorial region. Next is page number 55, relief rainfall. When moisture-laden winds strike onto a mountain, then rainfall occurs. This type of rainfall is called what? Relief or orographic rainfall. It is common in mountainous region, only in mountain. Cyclonic rainfall. Rainfall due to cyclone is called cyclonical rainfall. It is common in Orissa and Andhra Pradesh. Moisture, humidity is there. The amount of water vapor in the moisture present in the given volume of air is termed as humidity. When we get lot of hot sweat, we say that it is humid. Due to the heat of the sun, water evaporates from the water bodies and enters the atmosphere. If the rate of evaporation is high, the moisture will be high in the atmosphere, and if the rate of evaporation is low, the moisture will be low in the atmosphere. Humidity helps in heating and cooling of the atmosphere. And to measure the humidity, hygrometer, you have to remember, underline with the pencil. Hygrometer is used to measure humidity. The actual amount of water vapor present in the unit volume of the air is known as absolute humidity. How much water vapor? The ratio between the actual water vapor present in the given volume of the air and the water vapor with the same volume of the air can contain still its saturate level is called relative humidity. Then we come to wind. The movement of the air is called what? Wind. Areometer, underline. Areometer is used to measure the speed of wind. Wind always blows from high pressure to the low pressure area. There are 3 main types of wind. The permanent winds, then periodic winds, local winds. Permanent winds, there are These are the winds which blow throughout the year in a particular direction and over the particular region. For example, trade wind. Periodic wind, these are the wind which blow over a particular period of the year in a definite direction over a particular area. They are called as seasonal wind. For example, the monsoon winds. Local winds, they blow over the limited area and have local importance. That is Lu. We call in MP also Lu, hot wind. Then we have cyclones. The cyclone is a movement of a stormy wind from the high pressure to low pressure, and it is called cyclonology. There are different names of cyclone. For example, Atlantic Ocean, typhoons in the Pacific Ocean, and Willy Willy in Australia. Then Hudhud. Hudhud was a strong tropical cyclone that causes extensive damage, nuksan, and loss of lives in eastern India during October 2014. It originated from the low pressure level that formed under the Andaman Sea on 6th October. That is Hudhud occurs extensive damage to the city of Visakhapatnam. Damages were estimated to be rupees 21,908 crore by Andhra Pradesh government, and at least 124 death has been confirmed. So let us come to the end. In short, atmosphere is a mixture of gas, the blanket of the earth which protect us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. I hope you understood the lesson. Read the lesson properly. Good day, children. Thank you.